My name is David Harris, and I'm one of the principal owners of a for-profit marine biology research company called Beneath Waves Enterprises. About a year ago, our company discovered the largest seagrass beds in the entire world, which is in the Bahamas. These seagrass meadows will actually sequester carbon out of the atmosphere and store that carbon in its root systems for up to hundreds and millennia of years. One of the things that we really needed help with in our workflow is the ability to label these samples that we take in the seabed. Currently, during this operation, we had to log this information in 3 different places. After sitting down with the Brady team, we really developed a customized app that would remove 2 steps in our process. We put the information in once. The application itself is then going to be able to print off the exact number of labels that we need when we take it back to the lab and process it. We've got salt spray going everywhere. Waves are just pushing us all over the place. We selected the Brady M211 printer due to its robust durability and functionality. And the nylon cloth label for us, it gives us the ability to adhere in wet conditions. The Brady customized app and printing solution is really equipping us to process over 72,000 square miles of these blue carbon ecosystems in the Caribbean and in Europe.